Introducing the 5 horsepower Master MST-5 rotary screw air compressor. With 20 CFM at 101 psi, this air compressor offers adjustable pressure from 50 psi to 116 psi. You can control it effortlessly with a high-end LED touchscreen controller. Experience low maintenance and high efficiency with its direct drive system. This air compressor is powered by a permanent magnet heavy-duty induction motor for reliability. And the best part? You will get a 10-year warranty with free parts and service guidance. Rest assured, we ship express across Canada and the United States. Head over to MasterAire.com to place your order now.